There she is.
We love the rain.
We love the rain.
Right, Trauma? Will you look at this? Daddy put these buckets out. Is that funny or not? Is that funny? Okay. I just wanted that noted that Daddy went with the bucket. Okay. And it's still raining. Oh. Oh. And this is how I get my exercise. And Lobo's out in the rain. Why? Lobo, get in the house. Lobo, go in the house.
It's broken.
Oh, and well, I'm going to fix it. So, is it going to let up? Is it going to let up? Oh my God. It hasn't rained like this. Yeah, oh, Jesus, fucking cold too. In a long time. Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay, where the blank, get more beach towels and put them here. 'Cause I